Hello children. Today we are going to learn about our environment. So let's start. First of all, I will tell you what is environment. Environment means anything that surround us. Then it may be living thing or non-living thing. Everything that you can see around you is your environment. All the living things get air, food, water and shelter from the environment. Human beings also depend on their environment for these useful things. The resources which nature has gifted us are known as natural resources. There are two types of natural resources, renewable and non-renewable. Resources that are available in infinite quantity and can be used repeatedly are called renewable resources. For example, forest. Resources that are limited and whose availability may run out in future are called non-renewable resources. For example, fuel gas or coal. Air, water, soil, forest. These are few of the important natural resources. Fossil fuel, petroleum, coal. These are example of few of the non-renewable natural resources. We must protect and conserve natural resources for our future generation. Now, you must be thinking, why should we protect and conserve natural resources? Let's see the need for conservation of natural resources. Population of the world is increasing day by day, and consumption of natural resources is also increasing. With the increasing population, more and more forest lands have been cleared to build cities and set up industries. With increasing population, the need for fuel such as petroleum, coal and natural gas has also increased, which leads to exploitation of more and more natural resources from the earth. As the population is increasing, we started using more and more natural resources. Human activities and negligence are also damaging the environment. Human activities lead to the release of harmful and toxic substances in the environment. In this way, we pollute our environment. A healthy environment supports in growing and nurturing the living and non-living things on the earth. Plants and animals need a healthy environment to survive. Therefore, it is necessary for us to act in a way which will be useful to conserve the natural resources. If we pollute the environment, it will affect our health and may lead to many diseases which will finally spoil our lives. So children, This is all about our environment. If we conserve our natural resources and take care of environment, we can live a healthy and happy life. In next lesson, we will be learning some another topic. Till then, bye bye.